Good morning. Today topic images. Images can improve the design and the appearance of web pages. General images, any picture of scenery, your face, your photograph, etc. For example, you consider a simple example for a code of this one. You can write a simple image program. In previous image program, first image program, HTML had HTML opening brace, opening the HTML opening body, heading tag h2 heading tag, HTML images, closing of h2 tag or closing of heading tag, image img src equal to within a double quotation, pic underscore truly dot jpg, closing of double quotation, alt equal to within double quotation truly trulli width is equal to 500 within a double quotation closed, height is equal to 333 within double quotation, closing the body tag, closing of HTML tag. This is the general example of any HTML image tag. See that HTML tag of that output. HTML image tag that pic underscore truly dot jpg, that is the image name. At the time saving of image file name, the output to be displayed that output of that image, see that image, you can that image to be displayed. Then go for another image program that depend upon that program. You can save that images in sizes also. In other program, HTML body, opening the HTML tag, open the body tag, heading tag h2, HTML images backslash h2 tag, closing of h2 tag, image src equal to within a double quotation image girl dot jpg. Here the image is the any girl image, that equal to alt equal to within double quotation girl dot in jacket, width is equal to width equal to 500 within double quotation, height is equal to 600. Depend upon that images sizes. These sizes are image sizes. Body, closing the body, closing HTML tag, closing the body tag, closing HTML tag. Then go for another image tag, street line of image src equal to another tag, that is a image src equal to HTML body h2, that is image tag, HTML, open the HTML tag, open the body tag, open the h2 tag, that is the HTML image, closing of h2 tag, image src equal to within double quotation image underscore chani dot jpg, alt equal to within double quotation flowers in Chinese double quotation close, width is equal to 460 within double quotation close, and height is equal to 345 within double quotation close, backslash body backslash HTML. backslash body backslash HTML tag. Of the execution of program, the image Chinese.jpg to be displayed on that output. See that program, the output to be displayed, that images. After then you can go for brief HTML image syntaxes. The HTML image tag is used to embed any image in web pages. HTML image web pages. Is embedded in an image in a web page. Images are technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to web pages. The image tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. The image tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have closing tag. The image tag has two required attributes. One is the SRC, that is specified the path to the image. Specified the path to the image. SRC, that means it specifies the path to the image. Alt means that is specifies an alternate text for the image. If the image is not there, that is the image. Alt is the image specify an alternate text for the image. These two are very important. The image tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have any closing tag. This is a very important. The image not have any closing tag. It is a empty tag, that it contains attributes only and does not have any closing tag. The image tag has two required attributes. The image generally have two required attributes. What that one? First one is the SRC, second one is the ALT. What does SRC means? Specify the path to the image. What the SRC means? It's specify the path to the image. ALT means that specifies an alternate text for the image. Alternate text for the image. For example, you can go for a syntax of that program. That syntax of that one. Simply the syntax of that one. Syntax of image. What the image? SRC is equal to within a double quotation URL. What is the URL? ALT equal to within a double quotation alternate text. In between you can, what the image syntax is? Image syntax is just simple image SRC equal to within a double quotation URL. Uniform resource locator. That means you can that image path, specify the path of image. You can write the specify the path of image here. Okay, specify the path of here. And ALT equal to within a double quotation alternate text. You can write the if image not display on that one, you can write the alternative path of that images. Next we can go for the SRC attributes. Next we can go for the alternative SRC attributes. Next we can go the SRC attributes. Next we can go for the SRC attributes. What the SRC attributes? They required SRC attributes specify the path URL to the image. The required SRC attributes specifies the path, specifies the path URL to the image. Note in this point you can discuss the more important point. When a web page loads, it is the browser. At the moment gets the images from a web server and insert it into the web page. Therefore, make sure that the images actually stay in the same spot in relation to the web pages. Otherwise your visitors will get a broken link icon. The broken link icon is shown if the browsers sorry, the browsers, the broken link icon is shown if the browsers cannot find the image. What that problem here? When your web page loads, it is the browser. It is the browser at the moment that gets the image from a web server, web server, and inserts it into the web page. Therefore, make sure that the image actually stay in the same spot relation to the web page, otherwise your visitors will get a broken link icon. The broken link icon is shown if the browsers cannot find the image. The browsers cannot find the image. If the image is broken, the image cannot be find in the find on that images. The images then finds images. Then they then go to the another example program. You can go for a example program. Just what that image already you can you explain the different images on that one. Then once again you can go for another simple example of this program. Simple example of this program. In previous, in straight way, you can see the HTML, opening the HTML tag, open the body. After then you can go for a head tag, that is h2 tag, alternative text. You can write the alternative text. You can go for a alternative text for that images. Alternative text. Alternative text of that images. Then go for alternative text. The page alter attributes should reflect the image content. The alter attributes should reflect the image content. So users who cannot see the image gets an understanding of what the image contains. Generally, if in some web pages some users cannot display that images, cannot see that images, on that they are understanding by using the description of that particular image. Okay, and the image you can just use a paragraph tag. You can use a p tag, that is a opening tag. The alter attribute should reflect the image's content. So the users who cannot see the image gets an understanding of that of what that image contains. Closing of backslash p, that is a closing p. On that one you can go write the image tag, that is a image src equal to within the double quotation img underscore Chinese .jpg closing alter equal to within double quotation flowers in Chinese width is equal to 460 within double quotation, height equal to within double quotation 345, closing of after then you can close the body tag. After then you can close the HTML tag. After the execution of this program, you can run this program. What type of output to be displayed? Just you can see the output of this program. Just simply you can see that one output to be just see that output. Okay, the output is just like a alternative text. The alternative attributes should reflect the image's content. So users who cannot see the images gets an understanding of what the image contains, and one image to be displayed. If who are not images displayed on that the browser, so they are just the text to be displayed on that image place. They are understanding this type of image to be is there on that image spaces. This type of images to be tags to be you are using. This type of image tags to be you are using. Okay, this type of images tags to be you are using. After then you can go for another program, that is then go for the alter attributes. What that how the required alt attributes provides an alternative text for an image. The required alt attributes provides an alternative text for an image. if the users for some reason cannot view it because of slow connection, an error in the src attribute, or if the users uses a screen reader, if the users use a screen reader, and that one, in the users use a screen reader. Okay, from the, if you so generally what that problem, generally images why they did not display that one, these problems you are facing on that one, that if the connection is very slow, or if you are giving that image path in a correct manner, that is a src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. For using this one by users a screen reader, and that the value of the alt attribute should describe the images, the attribute images to be describe the images. For example, so you can go for image attributes example, src attribute, alter attributes example, alter attributes examples. You can go for a example program, that one this similar, you have a same manner, you can go for this images. For example, you can similar manner, you can write that same program, okay, alternate to text, HTML, opening the HTML tag, open the body tag. After then you can go for a head tag, that is h2 tag, head tag, alternate to text, closing of head h2 tag, that is a closing tag. After then you can go for a paragraph tag, the p tag. The alter attribute should reflect the image content. The alter attribute should reflect the image content. So users who cannot see the users who cannot see the images gets an understanding of what the image connections, what the images contains, what the images contain. Closing of paragraph, that is the p tag, that is a closing p. You can write the image src equal to within double quotation image underscore chani dot jpg, within a double quotation goes alter equal to within a double quotation flowers in chani, okay, closing of double quotation, width is equal to within a double quotation 460, height is equal to 345 with a double quotation closed, closing of body tag, closing of html tag. By using this tag, you are executing this program, what type of output to be displayed. In case of your browser, your users browsers very slow, and that time the image is not to be displayed on that particular time, you can go for a only text to be displayed on that one. Go for output of this program. Output, what type of output, the image is to be displayed. The alternative text, the alt attribute should reflect the image content. So users who cannot see the images gets an understanding of what the images contain, what the images to be contain. This type of images to be displayed on that particular format, okay, on the particular format. Generally another you have images, a screen reader is software program that reads html code and allows the users to listen to the content. Screen readers are useful for people who are visually impaired or learning disabled. Who are the images, in case of allows user to listen to the content, screen readers are usually useful for the people who are visually impaired, and by using this one, okay, in case of alter, that way you can go for this program. Okay, you can go for image and that alter attributes. You can go for another simple example, you can go for another one, that way. Okay, see this program, this is another example of this particular image tag. Go for example, example program for image tag, that is a HTML, closing of the opening the HTML tag, opening of body tag, after then opening the paragraph, that is a p tag. If your browser cannot find the image, if the browser can, it will display the alternative text. If the display alternative thing, then closing the paragraph, in between the paragraph text you can display that. If your browser cannot find the image, if your browser cannot find the image, it will display the alternative text. Closing of paragraph, that is a p tag. Image src is equal to within double quotation wrong name dot gif. You did not give the correct name of that image, and that alter equal to flowers in China, for flowers in China. It close within image src equal to within double wrong name dot gif. alter equal to within double quotation, flowers in turn, closing of body tag, closing of HTML tag. After the execution of this program, this type of output to be displayed. This type of output to be displayed. What type of output of this program? Just see. Output of this, see, if a browser cannot find the image, it will display the alternative text, that is alternative. In bottom there is no flowers in chain, just it did not display the image image but did not find that did not find they find that images to on that particular way. The images did not display on that images. Then you can go for another that is a image map. You then go for another topic, that is a image size, width and height. Then go for a images size, width and height. Then you have to have the generally you can given that particular images now you can go for a images height and width in this particular way. You can use the style attribute to specify the width and height of an image. Generally these are given in particular height of your images. Generally for uploading of any application, you can give generally the image photo on that time. They ask different specifications. Okay, 50 MB, or they give the different specifications of your images on that time. You can on that time you can use this type of image, that height and weight, description of that one. Okay, then go for HTML tag. Opening the HTML tag, open the body tag. After that H2 tag. That means heading tag. Closing of image size, closing of H2 tag. After then you can go for a paragraph, that is a P tag, that is a P. Open a P. Here we use the style attributes to specify the width and height of an image. Closing of P tag, that is a closing of P tag. These tags you are given that images. This image attributes, here you give the specific requirement for depend upon your program. You are using the sizes of your images. Image src equal to image underscore girl.jpg. You are define that image sizes. First of all, image name, and that one you can go for next alter equal to girl in a jacket. What that image, one girl is, you can see she is wearing a raincoat jacket. Style equal to within the sizes here specified. In particular sizes you are specified with colon 500 px, ended with semicolon, height colon 600 px, ended with a semicolon with all are in within a double quotation, closing. Okay, here the style equal to with colon 500 px means we are the image size in width is 500. The size of width of is 500 px, and height is equal to 600 px. Closing of body tag. After then closing of HTML tag. And then these two tags you are displaying on that one. These two tags you are displaying on that one. After the running of this program, the image to be displayed is very large. That 500 sizes. The output of image. Just see that one. The output of that image. Image size. Here we use the style attributes to specify the width and height of an image. Here we use the style attribute to specify the width and height of an image. We see the width and height of an image. We see the width and height of an images. This type of image to be displayed. This type of images to be this. Here the width and height, they define only the sizes of that images. The sizes of images. Okay, alternative you can, in case of the another example is there, that in case of you did not alternative images also is there. Okay, in case directly you can give that images, but you can also give the alternative width and height of that particular images. Alternative particular image. alternative width and height. Okay, alternative directly in previous you see the alternative images and height and weights. Alternative. Okay, you close, you write the program, you just see that program with HTML, body tag. After then you can go to h2 tag, image size, closing of h2 tag. Here p, paragraph p, here we specify the width and height of an image. With the width and height attributes, attribute closing of paragraph. Here images src equal to within a image underscore girl dot jpg, alter equal to girl in a jacket, within a double quotation closed, width equal to within a double quote, width equal to within double quotation 500, but the height equal to 600 within double quotation closed. You are directly give that images unspecified in particular path. Here images you are given and directly to that images, directly to the images, directly images, you are given the directly images. Output of that particular program, just you can see the output of that images. This image is here we specify the width and height of an image with the width and height of attributes. Based on in previous you did not give the any alternative functions. Here you can give the you are given in jacket is equal to colon in ways in this manner, but here it did not give any specified styles you did not display in the styles, but you are given an alternative width and height. Here you can display discuss an alternative weight and weight. Then you can go for another simple topic, width and height or style. Which one you are using the width and style, width and style, width, style or a style, height, which one is very okay. Attributes always they define the width and height of image in pixels. Always specify the width and height of image. If width and height are not specified, the web page might flicker while the images loads, flicker by the images with the loads. If you did not specify that, always specify the width and height of any image. If width and height is not specified, the web page might flickers while the image loads. This is the main drawback on that one. Okay, then if you can go for a the simple type of width, height or style, which one is the attributes will you can use this one. Then the width and height or attributes are all valid in HTML. These three are valid in HTML. However, which suggests using a style attribute. Generally you can use the style attribute. It prevents style sheets from changing the sizes of images. By changing the sizes of images, okay, by changing the sizes of images. For this one you can go for the simple syntax of this program. Then see this one. Okay, then see this program with the fin. Generally you can go for a simple program, HTML program, HTML head style, you define style. This is a style sets the width of all images to 100%, colon image. Width is equal to width colon 100% and it will semicolon colon. After the style is test, the style tag is backslash style, closing of style tag, after then closing of head tag, closing of the head tag, close starting of now you can use that your body tag, that is a body tag. h2 tag width slash height attributes are styles question mark, closing of h2 tag. We can define that h2 tag. In a paragraph you can write some documents. In paragraph you can write some document, that is a paragraph tag, that is p. The first image uses the width attribute, sets to 128 pixel, but the style in the head section overrides it and sets the width to 100%. Image src is equal to html15.gif within a double quotation, alter is equal to html5 icon, width is equal to 128 within double quotation 128, height is equal to within double quotation 128. But paragraph, the second image uses the style attribute to set the width to 128 pixels. This will not be override by the style in the head section with the p. with P. Image src html5 dot gaf alter is equal to within a html within a double quotation html icon style is equal to with colon 128 pixel height under semicolon height colon 128 pixel with under the semicolon body tag closing the body tag closing the html tag. After then you can running this program, you can what type of output to be displayed, for the say this one output. See that output. The first image uses the width attribute set to 120 pixel, but the style in the head section overrides it and sets the width to 100%. After the image is to be just bargain the moving of the screen that in mismanner. The second image is uses style attribute to set the width to 120 pixel. This will not be override by the style in the head section. This way tomorrow you can discuss